So why are your garment orders always late? Let's break down the real reasons and how to fix them.
You know that need it yesterday panic? Well, it comes with a pretty steep and often hidden price tag. Rushing isn't just stressful. It hits your wallet with things like pricey air freight and risky quality control.
But where do these delays actually come from? Surprise? It's usually long before a single stitch is sewn.
See, most of us think lead time is just sewing time, but really, it's the entire process. There are 6 key stages here. A holdup in one creates a domino effect you just can't fix later. And one of the biggest delays? An incomplete tech pack. It means your factory is asking questions, not working. And get this, just dyeing the fabric can actually take way longer than sewing the entire garment. Each sampling stage, while super important, adds a ton of time before the main production even starts. And let's not forget shipping. Sea freight alone can easily match your production time. We're talking weeks.
Okay, so how do you actually get a handle on all this? Let's open up the sourcing playbook.
First, change your question. Don't ask for one date. Ask for a full breakdown to see the bottlenecks.
Next, try being a little flexible. Asking about in-stock fabrics or simpler packaging can slash your wait time.
And the difference is huge. Being flexible can turn a 90-day lead time into a 30-day one.
Here's a pro tip. Real speed comes from your relationship with the fabric mill, not just the factory.
It all comes down to this: shifting from reacting to problems to proactively managing your entire supply chain. So ask yourself, are you focused on just the factory, or are you looking at the whole picture?